understanding the phrase, be fond of someone. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning journey. In this video, we're diving into the heartwarming phrase, be fond of someone. It's a phrase that's all about affection, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a special way to express your feelings in English. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. When we say we are fond of someone, we're expressing a feeling of liking or affection towards that person. But it's not just any kind of liking. It's often a deep, affectionate feeling that comes from knowing someone well and appreciating their qualities. This phrase can apply to friendships, family relationships, or even mild romantic feelings. It's softer and less intense than love, making it perfect for everyday expressions of affection. To understand how this phrase fits into everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. I've always been fond of my cousin. We share so many great memories. Even though they argue sometimes, it's clear that Jack is fond of his sister. I'm really fond of my teacher. She's always so supportive and encouraging. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, highlighting a gentle, warm affection towards someone. Being fond of someone carries with it a sense of long-term affection and esteem. It's not as fleeting as a simple like and not as overwhelming as love. This makes it a versatile phrase for expressing feelings that are sincere and heartfelt but not overly intense. It's also worth noting that saying you're fond of someone can communicate a level of comfort and familiarity with that person, making it a beautiful way to acknowledge the value they bring to your life. In different English-speaking cultures, being fond of someone can have slightly varied connotations. However, the core idea of affection and liking remains universal. It's a phrase that's well received in any context, whether in personal relationships or more formal settings. Understanding when and how to use it can help you navigate social interactions more smoothly and express your feelings more effectively. We hope this exploration of the phrase, be fond of someone, has enriched your understanding and appreciation of English. Expressing affection and appreciation is a beautiful part of human interaction, and doing so in another language can be incredibly rewarding. Remember, being fond of someone is all about showcasing your affection in a gentle, respectful manner. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey. See you in the next video.